Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I decided to go all gray everything. As soon as I dyed my hair gray, the idea just came into my head and I was like, boom, you should just do like an all gray makeup look so it matches your hair. And then I got my nails done gray. So in this video, I basically show a tutorial on how to create this look. So please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. So first, we are going to start with the brows, and today I'm using the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I'm just going to grab a small detailing brush and the Becca Cosmetics Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. And I am going to just clean up the top a little bit because I still haven't applied my primer, so I don't want to go too far up. We're going to move on to the eyes now. So for eyeshadow primer today, we are going to use the Louise base in Rumour 0.5 and the Louise brush. A Morphe M576 brush, I'm going into the Kat Von D Pastel Goth eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to dip into the color Dagger. And I'm going to blend this into the crease. We're just very slowly building that gray up. Using a Royal and Nickel BMX 430 crease brush, I'm going to jump into the Studio Makeup On The Go eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go into this gray shade right here. Taking a different Studio Makeup On The Go eyeshadow palette, I'm going to jump into this black shade right here using the Morphe Y18 brush. Taking the Louise base once again, I'm going to cut out the lid. Taking an Alamar packing brush, and the shade I'll be using is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow Ultra Metallic in Liberty. And I'm just going to blend the black into the shade we just applied. With a makeup wipe, we are just going to clean off the edges. And I usually scratch myself way too hard, so be gentle, Jess. Ow! I always scratch myself and it hurts. We need liner. Duh! I have a gray liner. Let's check. That would look so nice if I did. I have gold, I don't have gray. So, do I have silver? I need a burr. I don't even have silver, like, who am I? Okay, I guess just a black liner. Like, why wouldn't I just do a black liner? Why am I overthinking this? Just, am I annoying you yet? We're taking the Fit we're gonna take another eyeliner. I am taking the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner in black. Never done a wing like that before, and I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. Look at the flick it is. And for mascara, I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. What's a net lashes? The lashes. And for lashes today, I'm using the Dodo Lashes in D305. So I've already applied the glue off of camera. We're just gonna stick it on right now. Whew. These are badass. Damn, damn, damn. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to complete the other eye off of camera, and I will be right back. I'm back and my other eye is done. Now we're just going to move on to the face. To prime the face, I'm using the Too Faced Primed in Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation in Vanilla. And to conceal, we're using the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in Fair. We're just applying this a little bit lower to the under eye and blending up. And to brighten up the under eye as well as highlight the rest of my face, I am going to use a Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Swan. And to set all of that, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. So I don't really want it to sit there and bake. So with a Morphe R10 brush, I'm just going to sweep it all the way. I just want to finish off the eyes before I move on to the rest of my face. So taking the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil in black, I am going to line my waterline. With a liner brush, I'm going to jump into the Studio Makeup On The Go eyeshadow palette and jump into the black shade. I'm just going to set the waterline. Taking a Morphe M411 brush, I'm going to jump into the Pastel Goth eyeshadow palette and I'm going to go into Dagger. I'm going to smudge that on the bottom lash line. And with a Royal and Langnickel Omnia Balm 40 shader brush, I'm going to just jump back into that black. I'm going to blend that into the gray on the bottom lash line, but closer to the waterline. And for my bottom lashes, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. What do I need now? I need a bronzer, I need a bronzer, I need a bronzer, I need a bronzer. Go get a bronzer, go get a bronzer. With a Morphe R7 brush, I am jumping into the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer. And to contour, I am taking a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. And I am taking the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. I'm going to jump into this middle shade, which is Sculpt. With a Morphe R14 brush, I'm going to dip into the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Rose. I have found a very nice highlighter to use today. I'm going to be using the Artist Couture highlight. This is the Diamond Glow Powder in Gold Digger. To make the highlight a little bit more blinding, I'm going to go into the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl. So I literally just applied it to the front of the highlight. Taking a Morphe M168 brush, I'm going to jump into the same highlighter and just highlight the inner corner of my eye. So today we're actually going to use a few products on the lips. The first one being the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Chill Zone. Brighten that up just a little bit. So next I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Macaroon lipstick in MALS 10. So I'm going to apply this literally to the center of my lip. Next, on the lip, we are going to take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Diamond Milk. I'm just going to apply it to the fingertip and use my fingertip to put it onto my lip. We're going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Alright guys, that completes my all gray everything look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button, that red button that says subscribe down below, because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Shit, I don't have anything ready. Pastel Goth eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna dup with a Royal and Nickel, I fucked that up, Colourpop Super Shock Ultra Metallic Shallow. Blend the black into that Fly Liner Longwear Liquid. We are taking the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner Majua Fish. I'm so sorry. I scared the shit out of my dog. To pine. I took a deep breath in and I choked. I hope you guys like it. Please. Okay. Let's try that again.